What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so earlier today I was driving, I was going to go do a tow in the Chevy as always, and then as I was driving, fucking all of a sudden I heard a lot of like squeaking noise like a pulley, and then I lost my brakes, I lost my power steering, and shit was cray cray. Luckily there wasn't like a lot of traffic, so I was able to like pull in a what was it, AutoZone, and then I just left the truck. I grabbed my fucking Ram and basically finished the tow. I came back and then I want to go get the Chevy, but that thing like the brakes were heavy, you know, when basically power steering and the brake system is the same shit. If you lose your power steering, you lose your brakes. If you lose your brakes, you lose your power steering, some shit like that. So luckily I was able to bring the truck back. I drove it here like really careful, really slow. I was like 2 miles away, and I've already started taking it apart to see what the fuck, to see what went wrong. Yes, I know I shaved my fucking 3 pubic hairs I had. But yeah, I started taking off the plastics around to see what the fuck happened. And basically what happened was the belt came off, therefore the battery light turned on, I lost my power steering and my brakes. So check this shit out. So this belt came off, right? And then I'm noticing, check out this pulley, pay attention to this pulley right here. That doesn't look right. So the fucking pulley backed out. It only means that the power steering box, no, power steering pump fucking went out. I think there's a rod in there that holds this this pulley, and I think it took a shit. So since this shit started wiggling, it made my belt come off. It made the belt come off, and then that's what happened. So yeah, I'm gonna take off the power steering pump, and then I'm gonna see if we can probably get one at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. But yeah, this is what we got going on today. I really have to fix it. We were gonna work on JP's transmission, but this is more important to me because this is what keeps those cars going, you know. So the homie Christian's on the way. Hopefully we can get this thing done today or tonight, you know. But I want to have it ready for tomorrow. I really don't want to drive the Ram. I mean, I used it, but since I still don't have tags, I don't want to drive it like that, you know. I don't want to risk getting it taken away and more problems, you know. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of my shaved facial 3 hairs that I had. I had like a couple hairs, you know. I'm still a kid. Alright guys, before we continue with this video, I wanted to talk to you guys. What do you guys think of me making some shirts, you know? I was thinking of making some shirts that says broskies, or I don't know, I want to come out with some shirts, but I don't know what to put on, what to design, what to fucking make, you know. So I wanted to ask you guys for some fucking ideas, and if you're a designer out there for shirts or whatever, hit me up, and let's do something, you know, do something for the broskies. But basically, like, I kind of want to do like, I don't know if you guys seen like the Supreme logo. I want to do the same thing, and then, but it's obviously not gonna say Supreme. It's gonna say like broskies or Filidrifts or something like that. So what do you guys think? Give me some ideas, and then and also let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna support me and buy a shirt if we get something going on, you know. But yeah, let me know. Leave a comment. Alright, broski, so I just took it off. It's already off. I just gotta take off a hard line, and then this, I think it's a return right here. So these lines go into the fucking, I think it's called a hydro booster, and that's for your brakes. So if there's no fucking fluid going from here to over there, you have no brakes. So it's a badass truck, but I don't know why. I don't know if only Chevy did this shit like this. I don't know if other trucks. I don't even know if the fucking Ram works like this, but yeah, basically when this shit goes out, your brakes go out. So yeah, I'm just gonna take off those two lines, and then I'll see if Craigan or Craigan. Is it Craigan or O'Reilly's? I think it's O'Reilly's, huh? O'Reilly's or fucking AutoZone has it. Puro junkies. Alright, broskies, just took off the pump. Here's a closer look. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the homie Christian. He's already on the way. We're gonna go buy that pump and then install it. But the real reason that went out is because my steering box is already leaking like power steering. So since it's been leaking a lot of power steering, it's been running dry for some miles, and then I fill it up and then it leaks it all the way, and then I have to fucking fill it up again. But all those times, I guess from running dry, it fucked it up. That was my fault for not taking care of the steering box. So now I'm gonna have to replace that power steering pump, and then I'm gonna have to do the gearbox. So hopefully we can remove it right now and replace it.
2 hours later.
Es que yo no fui. Seguro que yo no fui. Gato más un pedo sacarlo de la jugadora.
Nice. So now we are gonna replace. ¿Cómo se llama esta madre, güey?
Gearbox.
Gearbox. So the gearbox, the shaft, I believe, let's see. So the shaft right here, or the seal, was leaking oil, and then it was causing the power steering pump to lose fucking oil, and that's why it took a shit. So since we fixed that already, we don't want the same problem to happen again. So that's why we're gonna replace that, and then we should be good. The what?
19. Take it over.
And then another thing I wanted to talk about was that. Let me clean my camera. Get out the way. We gotta fix the Chevy right and the Ram right, because in May, what is it? May what? May 20? May 28 and the 29th, I think it's final bout. So we're gonna be going out there, not to drive. I mean, we are gonna drive out there, but we're not gonna drift out there. So I'm gonna take the homies from Auto Factory Relays. I believe it's 5 cars, and I'm gonna take 3 in the Chevy, and then Christian's gonna drive the Ram, and then we're gonna try to get a two car trailer. Probably this weekend we're gonna try to get one. If not, we're gonna have to borrow one from Andy's. But yeah, we're gonna be out there May 28, 29. So if you guys are, if we got some broskies out there, hit me up. We're gonna be out there. So yeah, that's why we gotta fix this truck right. We gotta fix all the problems. After this, I think the truck should be cherry. And then before the event, I'm just gonna fucking do another oil change, tranny, fuel filter, and that's it. And then the Chevy should be good, but the Ram still needs quite a lot of work, but we'll get it done. Güey, ya le voy a echar el aceite.
No, espérate.
Alright, so the gearbox is off. Check it out. Check out all that fucking oil. It was bad from the seal. I remember we were turning the tire and then it was leaking all the oil through here. So it's a mess down there, but we'll take it to a car wash after we install the new one and then clean it up. But yeah, here's a side by side. That's a no-no. And this shit's been like that way como por qué? Fucking few months.
Few months.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't gonna fix it if it was still, it's still drivable, but you know, and I had my brakes. I just had to fucking pump, I just had to pour a lot of fucking oil all the time, like every day. Nah, it was like once a week. And then it got to the point where I was fucking putting fluid every day. And then, yeah, this shit happened to me today. But luckily, we're alive. And we all here. Oh yeah. Oh. Alright broskies, we are finally done. Sorry you guys can't see me, but I think it's like 2 in the morning. The truck is done. Christian's already leaving. Bye. And that's it broskies. That's it for today. Shit was a long day, stressful, but thanks to the homie Christian we made it. Alright broskies, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.